Hey friends, we're going to be installing this traction pad on this Eric Geiselman Flash. It's made by Softtech, great little board, especially for river surfing, which is what we do here in Colorado. Having a traction pad is super nice, obviously here on the back of the board, because it gives us some foot placement options right above the fin box to help us really get some nice traction and control over those fins. And we thought we'd try out this guy. Didn't come in any kind of a fancy packaging or anything. It's literally just straight out of the box, looks like this. As you can see, there's some 3M adhesive on the back though. So that is encouraging to see that the adhesive is made by a really nice, good company. So you have 3 pieces. Obviously the middle piece is gonna go right here on center, and then these 2 will go on the side. You do need to leave some room, obviously, for the leash plug. So that's why there are these little concave areas right here, so we can install it around there and make sure we have room for our leash plug. So we like to put the center one on first. Again, it's nice and easy to align this on center. So again, you just need to find the measurements for this guy. We like to just kind of put it up, get a general idea of where that's going to go, and then put the middle one on first. We took the sticker off on the bottom, push this down, and that is on there really nice and solid, friends. That feels really good. Next, we'll take our side pieces off, again, removing that back adhesive. And this just makes it a little bit easier to line up. Some people like a little bit of space in between here, depending on your preference. Again, we can get this nice and tight, and it just makes things a lot easier to line up with that center one already in place. Okay, there we go. Again, it's not perfect. We have a little bit of lines that we left in between here, but again, nice and easy to install. These things feel really secure on here. Definitely excited to get this out in the river and give it a surf, give it a trial. Hope that helps, friends.